We're still on a high after the historic win of the Creamline Cool Smashers in the PBL All-Filipino Conference. The game crew sat down with some team members. They looked back at their journey from losing key players to interchanging roles. Watch this.
We really never thought starting the season without other key players. We were like, ang mindset talaga namin, one game at a time. As in, yung iniisip namin, wag kaming susuko one game at a time. Hindi namin alam kung sino yung next naming kalaban. We're just really focusing each and every training kung sino yung mga kalaban namin on the next day, the following day. And I think it actually worked. Pero from that loss, dun din namin naramdaman na we could have won that conference as well. And that was our siguro motivation. Siyempre, kailangan namin may panghugutan din this conference.
A lot of players had to step up. Pangs?
Every game, wala mo.
Right. Pangs, you're one of the players who had to step up. Diba? And you ended up with the Best Middle Blocker Award. Kanina ka pang hinahype up ni Eli about that individual award. What was it about yung conference na to? Kasi you had to step up. Siyempre, said not being there meant that Matic, you had to come up as well.
Kasi naging motivation ko siya nung nawala si Zed, and every talaga iniisip ko na kailangan ako mag-step up kasi alam naman natin yung capabilities ni Zed and ano yung pwede niyang gawin sa team and yung contributions niya. So every training talaga mas nagdo-double time talaga ako, and talagang mas sinisipagan namin as kaming mga middles na mapunan yung kung ano yung naiwan ni Zed.
Ngayon natapos na yung conference.
Tapos na pala
Ay, hindi. At nanalo na kayo. At nanalo na kayo. Hindi ko naman gusto tanungin kung ano yung totoo, pero ano yung naramdaman nyo talaga nung alam nyo na, syempre kayo yung unang nakaalam na wala na si Gia, wala si Zed, di ba? Ano yung una, may konti bang takot? There was fear ba na, oy, we're not going to be the same anymore? Or ano yung naging usapan after that? Yan ang gusto namin malaman ngayon na tapos na ang lahat.
Kinakabahan ako. Parang, natakot din po kasi, syempre yung Creamline talaga, gusto namin na solid, yung walang aalis. Syempre masakit sa amin, malulungkot talaga kami. And yung sistema kasi talagang, nabuo na doon si Ate Gia and si Zeddy. So, parang meron ding nagda-doubt kami sa sarili namin na parang kakayanin ba namin this season. Ang coaches naman po, hindi naman po sa amin pinaramdam na may kulang sa amin.
This has been such a unique conference for you in terms of your role. Sometimes you're starting, sometimes you're coming off the bench, sometimes in the case of the finals, which we'll talk about later, panapos ka. Tell us about that kind of roller coaster in your head. How do you deal with something like that?
Well, definitely this conference is out of our comfort zone. In terms of that role naman, this conference, I guess we were really, guided by our coaches eh. In practice talaga. In our practice, umiikot kaming lahat.
Yeah.
Talagang pinaparamdam sa amin ng mga coaches namin na anytime, pwede kang ipasok, pwede kang ilabas. Kung ano ang kailangan ng team, ano ang kailangan on that game, ano ang strength natin na dadalhin sa game na yon, yun yung gagawin natin.